You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Thursday, the 5th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather brighter today, warmer tomorrow, and over the weekend, no issues in terms of snow, ice, tornadoes, or flooding. That's a good thing. And next week, more like springtime. Maybe some storms late next week. We'll talk about that as we go. Here's a look at the upper air view this morning. We have a trough axis rotating through the deep south, and we'll be on the backside of that later today. So sinking air, that means nothing but sunshine. Closest rain to Alabama down in parts of central Florida, along Interstate 4, Tampa Bay, Orlando, Daytona Beach. Around here will be dry for a while. And we are below freezing over the northern half of the state this morning. 28 for Birmingham. We've got 35 at Mobile, Dothan 37. Highs in the 40s and 50s across Alabama today. We'll check the watch warning map. Still winter weather advisories for parts of eastern North Carolina. Otherwise, things are quiet. And no severe storms for the next several days. That's the severe weather outlook today, tomorrow, and on Saturday. Basically, no thunder across the United States. But late next week, there could be some thunderstorms involved here. Take a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. And for Alabama, basically nothing. We might see a few sprinkles by maybe Wednesday night or Thursday of next week, but it looks like the next meaningful rain event will be just beyond this period at the end of next week, Friday night, maybe Saturday morning in about 8 days. And we will get the new drought monitor here in a couple of hours. We'll post it this afternoon. But again, about half the state still in drought conditions, especially over the southern and southeastern counties. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans, here we go. European, this is the OZ run, 3 o'clock today, trough axis east of the state. A very dry air mass. The sky will be sunny. And again, highs in the 40s for North Alabama, 50s for the southern counties of the state. Tomorrow, once again, we start the day around the freezing mark, but a very nice warm-up. Highs will likely be in the 60s from Birmingham south, upper 50s for the Tennessee Valley. Now, we note to the north and east of here, there's a clipper. Alberta Clipper, that's going to bring some light snow to parts of eastern Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, and western Pennsylvania. That will not affect us in terms of any precipitation here, but that will knock temperatures down about 10 degrees as the weekend begins. So this is Saturday, so highs will go back into the upper 40s and 50s on Saturday, but the day will be sunny. Again, for the first time in how long? We have no snow, ice, no snow flurries, no tornadoes, no floods. A sunny day, but a cool day. But then Sunday, we start to warm up again. Sunday, the high will be in the upper 50s and 60s. Again, the sky will be sunny. Monday, sunny with 60s and low 70s. Spring fever will be breaking out. This is Tuesday, same thing, sunny. We might see 70 up to Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. The Tennessee Valley will be in the upper 60s. Wednesday, we'll call it partly sunny, still very mild. Upper 60s and low to mid 70s. And a week from today, this is Thursday the 12th. Pretty good trough in the western states and moisture increases. There could be a little light rain on Thursday, but again, it looks like the meaningful rain event will hold off until Friday or Friday night, maybe Saturday. So this is Friday night, the 13th, the end of next week. That trough is progressive. And obviously, that's a pretty dynamic-looking trough. And down below that, again, this is Friday night, next week, 8 days out, the 13th. Surface low in Kentucky with a batch of rain and storms coming in here. And again, the flash density product indicating a good bit of lightning across Alabama in the deep south. Could we see severe storms? Yeah, we might. We might not. It's just simply too early to know. Again, this is 8 days out, but we're getting closer to that range of confidence. So just keep in mind, toward the end of next week, there could be some active thunderstorms here. Snow fans, that's not looking good. The probabilistic outlook for 1 inch of snow or greater between now and the 19th of February. And basically, zero chance here. But again, for the snow lovers, we've still got a long way to go. This is rain for the next 15 days, valid through the 20th of February. Got a couple of outliers. A couple of ensemble members go crazy with 6, 7, 8 inches of rain here, but you throw those out. And that's why you look for the mean of the ensemble members, which is the green line, a little over 2 inches. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. And again, you can see kind of a roller coaster ride in the short term. We've got 44 today, then 61 tomorrow. But then we cool down again on Saturday with a high of 49 once that clipper passes. Sunday, 58, and next week, temperatures in the 67 to 70 degree range. And remember, this is for the central part of the state. If you're in South Alabama, add a few degrees. If you're in the Tennessee Valley, subtract a few degrees. In the latest long-range guidance, this is for the 12th through the 18th of February. Ooh, boy. Look at all the red and orange on that map. Temperatures above average. So for a pretty good chunk of Alabama, the clouds lingered. No good sunset last night. However, near the Gulf Coast, the sunset was stunning. These images along the Gulf Coast last night, just beautiful, as the sun broke through very nicely. So our friends there had a great sunset, and statewide we'll see a nice sunset this evening. But boy, the colors were just absolutely incredible with the sky on fire along the Alabama and Northwest Florida Gulf Coast last night. All right, so today I will be at West Forest Intermediate School in Opelika, home of the Bulldogs, for a program there. Then after that, I will be stopping by Southern Union Community College in Opelika, and looking forward to that. And then tomorrow it is a program in Bibb County at West Blockton Middle School. That'll be a lot of fun. Don't forget, I'll be on ABC 3340 News this evening, and you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a terrific Thursday, and God bless.